Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I done told y'all once before, I'm going to tell you again. Subscribe to the channel. Put the word out. We got to get our subscribership up. I mean, I've spent a lot of money, and my wife ain't liking it so far. I mean, maybe if like 1,000 people were watching, it wouldn't be so bad. But right now, I got like 2 subscribers, and we need to like get it up there. Today, we're going to be reviewing this DeWalt 52-inch tool chest. But wait, first, there's a word from our sponsors. I don't want y'all to feel left out. Y'all gonna think, man, this is a crazy video. Be sure and watch this video till the end for a super slick tricks. This is not one you're gonna wanna miss, believe me. You see, Smiling Bob up there ain't smiling because the channel just ain't going nowhere. We give away cash every month. When we get to 100 subscribers, we're gonna give away $100, 200 bucks, 300 bucks, 400 bucks. So right now we're at about I think 34 subscribers. People come and go. I've noticed that. But anyway, back to the toolbox. And be sure and watch it to the end or else you might miss something. The name of the channel is Super Slick Tricks. This is, I thought it was a Craftsman, but a guy come over and said, man, I sure like all your DeWalt tool boxes and cabinets and stuff. I didn't know they make them in red. Well, yeah, I don't know. Maybe they do. But the boxes are what they are there. Maybe they labeled them wrong. I don't know. But this is the Craftsman 52-inch 8-drawer chest that sits on top. What does it say? 52-inch wide drawer chest and 10-inch roller cabinet, each sold separately. There's like a price on it. My wife bought this for Christmas. I don't know if that's one box or both of them put together. But these are really good boxes. What I really like about these boxes is that right there. It may not mean a whole lot to a lot of people, but in some small town where they're cranking out these boxes, it's probably some really good jobs to go into a lot of good people. So if you got your choice of making something and buying something that's made in China or made in some little small town in America, think about it. That's why I went with these. Anyhow, on to the moral of the story. Yeah. Even though they act to be like rolling toolboxes, they're supposed to hold like a 15 static pound load rating. If you get 1,500 pounds in that box, it's probably not going to roll too much. So what it is a storage cabinet. Anyways, let's roll on to see what's in the top of the box. And if you make any kind of a toolbox, if you're a Craftsman, DeWalt, Milwaukee, or whatever box you make, you can see the problem with this box right now is what's in each one of them drawers. if I send my wife over here to get a screwdriver, which one of them drawers will she need to look in? So if you make one of these big boxes, whoop, it flipped off, but put one of them whiteboards on there where you can label each drawer, so she ain't got to spend 5 minutes looking for a tool. Anyway, let's review the box there. It's a super good box. It comes with a power strip over here. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outlets and 2 USB ports that obviously has a cord and plugs in. You got a handle here. You can roll it around if you think you're strong enough to roll around 1,500 pounds. What's in each one of these drawers, I do not have a clue. Johnny Corncob with the owner of Corncob Construction, throw this box together for me. I really like this little Craftsman magnetic wrench holder. I picked that up at Home Depot, I think, or no, at Lowe's is where I got it. But you put a wrench in there, you can kind of turn it, and it locks them all so you can, won't fall out. You can tote that across the yard and work on something. Lift it up and get your tool out. I wish I'd have thought of that. Maybe I did, but I'm always a dollar late and a dollar short. You know how it is. I thought that was pretty cool. The last time I was at Lowe's, I picked up this Craftsman beverage holder. It's supposed to be a magnetic beverage holder. I'm always looking for my coffee cup. My Kool-Aid. Nobody drinks Kool-Aid anymore, but when I was growing up, everybody drank Kool-Aid. If you was rich, you drank sweet Kool-Aid. You had some sugar in it. If you was poor, you just drank non-sweet Kool-Aid. But anyway, this is the box. We'll go through what's in all these drawers. I ain't got a clue what's in them. Like I say, I'm probably going to get me a label maker and label these drawers or something in there. Or give me some kind of magnetic write-on paper or something in there that you can label what's in the drawer. And that way you ain't got to search through, 8 up top and 10 at the bottom. 18 drawers to find what you were looking for. But all in all, this seemed to be a pretty good box. Like I say, I thought it was a Craftsman, but a buddy of mine said, "Man, I like your DeWalt boxes." I didn't know they come in red, but they may be DeWalt, they may be Craftsman, I'm not real sure, but they are made in America. That's what I like the best. Here in the top drawer, let's see what we got. Looks like that's our screwdriver drawer. And these are Craftsman screwdriver holders. So you can pick up the whole tray, take them with you. They are magnetic, so the screwdriver stays stuck. I like that. Is that my dog tag in there? No, I guess it's a some kind of little Mickey Mouse screwdriver or something. I thought that was my dog tags from the other day. You know how it is, a busy man's phone always rings, but we'll stay on track and go to the next drawer. Drawer number 2. And if y'all see this video, You know it's a child-safe toolbox, because I ain't got a clue what's in these drawers. All right, look like drawer number 2, look like a whole bunch of pliers. It looked like that might be the plier drawer. Awful blue in there. Looked like a whole bunch of cobalt tools. A couple of vice grip. What I like about these drawers is they are soft close. All right, drawer number 3. Look like we got a DeWalt tape measure in there. Looks like a Craftsman 3 or 4 tape measures. A whole bunch of bits in here. If you can't find what you need in that bit collection, I guess it just don't exist. But and here looks like a small Craftsman bit collection. Here's a bunch of Allen wrenches, both metric and a standard. One thing I've noticed is everything's metric nowadays. They're charged more for metric wrenches because they ought to give the standard wrenches away. All right, in drawer number 4, looks like somebody's old torque wrench. And that case actually came out of a cobalt wrench set. Looks like some spark plug sockets and some ratchets. And a bunch of them extensions. And one of them gizmos you can put on your impact driver. Turn a bolt. Moving on down to the lower box there, it looked like, well, there ain't nothing in that box. See, if it was labeled, I wouldn't waste my time opening that box. And then the next box looks to be empty too. You know what emptiness is, don't you? That means room to grow. There looks like a couple tray of sockets that came from the cobalt socket set. They're coated with red and blue. I guess the red is the standard and the blue is the metric. Let me see if it's, can y'all see that? But a good place to hang some tools. Even though we don't work on a whole lot of stuff here in the shop. Whole lot of yellow in that drawer. Looking like a bunch of these DeWalt time wasting cases where you can't see through them. Shoot, what's in that case? Anybody got a clue? What's in any of them? If y'all watch my video about them clear cases, you know they obviously had something going on. Those where you can't see through them are big time waster. You got to dig through 14 cases to find whatever you need. Looks like some spider bits in there. A nice fancy DeWalt impact. Couple of, well, it looks like a right angle drill, impact driver, and a drill driver. Moving on down to the last box on the left. Looks like it ain't nothing in there. Like I say, it's a box surprise. I ain't got a clue what's in none of them. And they sure ain't labeled, so. But you can bet next time you see something in here that all these drawers will be labeled, because I'm not about wasting a whole bunch of time. Here it looks like we got some Craftsman wrenches and some cobalt. I'm saying that word halfway right. Wrenches. Drawer number 2 looks to be like got a pair of scissors. You know you always need a haircut. Looks like a Stanley dual blade knife. Always use dual blade knives. Hook blade on one side, straight blade on the other. I'm not about spending a whole lot of time changing out a blade. Looks like we got some metal cutters, some wire strippers, a couple pair of vice grips. Looks like we got some adjustable wrenches and some more. What kind of knives are those? Those are Craftsman dual bladed knives as well. One on one side, one on the other. That's how we like to roll here at Super Slick Tricks. We're not about wasting a whole lot of time. Get in, get the job done, and if you actually make money doing the job, get paid. But drawer number 3 looks to be like some electrical, looks like some paracord there. Tie something down with. Gauge it so you can gauge whatever another bolt or whatever you need there. Some Dixon jumbo finishing pencils. I don't really like a carpenter pencil. I like these best. And it looks like we have a was that an Empire level there? That baby magnetic, look at that. Alright, don't lose faith, y'all. We're going to move it, and here's a line level. Run a string across there and hang it on it until you where it's level. Don't lose faith. Hang in there now. The best is yet to come. Look like box number 4 has empty. Cranking on down, look like number 5 is. Whew. We need to get like a mirror or something in there, that way you can pull it out, look in the mirror, check yourself, make sure you look good. I know all you women would like that if you just roll out the mirror and look good. Well, it's looking like the rest of the box is empty. Yep, I guess that's it. But that's the Craftsman 52 wide. It'd be 18 drawers total, 8 on top and 10 on the bottom. Tool chest. I really like it. And this is a good buddy of mine that just passed away a couple of days ago, Johnny. It wasn't a Caterpillar, but when we were growing up, he had a big truck like this. It was a Tonka. And he used to sit here, hold on there, and ride that Tonka up and down the driveway. So every time I see one of these big yellow trucks like that, I'll forever think about Johnny riding up and down the sidewalk with his little baby butt sitting there, hanging on there, riding it like a skateboard. But anyways, the moral of the story is, and here's the surprise, if you watch this video on February 25th and leave a comment underneath this video, we will send you $50. Thanks for watching. We appreciate all you guys' support. And have a great day. Thanks very much. And remember, leave a comment under this video on February 25th. You'll get $50. Don't forget that. Thanks.